Most crypto traders enter the market with one goal: to make quick profits. But what they forget is that without proper risk management, profits don't last, and sometimes they don't even come. The crypto market is exciting, fast-moving, unpredictable, full of hype. One day, a coin pumps 100%, and the next day, it crashes without warning. And if you're not managing your risk, this market will chew you up and spit you out. No matter how skilled or lucky you are, without a solid risk plan, it's just a matter of time before your account hits zero. The smartest traders don't just think about how much they can make. They focus on how much they can afford to lose. They know that preserving capital is more important than chasing every move. Let me make this clear. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. It doesn't matter how strong the setup looks. Even the best trades can fail. Even the best traders lose. But the difference is, they live to take the next trade. Why? Because they managed risk. Now let's talk about stop losses. Some people hate them. They think stop losses are what take them out of good trades. But here's the truth. Stop losses are not your enemy. They're your bodyguard. They protect your account from emotional decisions, sudden crashes, and market noise. Still relying on gut feeling instead of rules? That's a disaster waiting to happen. And what about reward? Don't just enter a trade hoping for the best. Always calculate your risk-to-reward ratio. Risk $dollars only if you can potentially make $20 or more. This way, even if half your trades lose, you still end up profitable. Professional traders build systems. Systems based on logic, not emotion. Discipline, not luck. And most importantly, risk control. At the end of the day, trading is not about being right all the time. It's about managing your losses, maximizing your wins, and staying consistent. And that's where Vestlye comes in. At Vestlye, we're not just giving you signals. We help you understand the logic behind each move. We show you how to manage trades like a pro, minimize risk, and grow your account with smart decisions.